Welcome to another Truck Hardware installation tutorial. Today, we're installing our Precision Design skid plate on a 2026 Ford Super Duty with a gas engine. There's another application for the skid plate if you have a diesel engine. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, go to the engine frame cross brace seen here, and then use a trim tool to pop out the push pin holding the wheel sensor cable in place. Now, grab the front mount included with your kit and install the hole here to this hole on the engine frame using a cap screw and lock the flat washer. Secure this hardware to the back of the cross brace with an large flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. An example of what this hardware looks like fully installed can be seen in the following clips. We're going to secure the two holes on the passenger side of this front mount the same way, but with slightly different hardware. For the hole circled here, use a 5/16 cap screw and flat washer. Secure it from behind using the hardware noted in the bottom left of the screen. An example of what this hardware looks like fully installed can be seen in the following clips. Then for this hole, use a 3/8 cap screw and flat washer, before securing it from behind using the corresponding washer, lock washer, and hex nut. An example of what this hardware looks like fully installed can be seen in the following clips. And with that, the front mount should be secure. Now, let's go to the transmission mount crossmember at the rear of the vehicle and remove the two factory nuts circled here. Use a 21mm socket on a 1/2" impact or ratchet to remove this hardware. Then set this hardware aside for later reinstallation. Now we can get started on the skid plate. Grab your plate and position the two rubber grommets in your kit into the holes seen here. Then take your plate and slide it into position, making sure that the front of the plate is supported by the front mount, and that the rear slots on the plate align with the bolts on the transmission crossmember. Once in place, loosely reinstall the transmission nuts to secure the plate. Then head to the front of the plate and line up the clinch nuts on the plate with the holes in the front mount seen here. Loosely secure the plate to these holes using a 1/4" cap screw, a lock washer, and a flat washer. Go over everything we've installed and tighten all fasteners. Then, take the oil access door in your kit and secure to the bottom of the skid plate using 3 sets of cap screws, lock washers, and flat washers. Finally, find that sensor cable we removed earlier and use the zip tie to resecure it to the front mount plate. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Precision skid plate. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Chuck Hardware.